Hello, it's Brent Schroeder with Leverage Lean, and today is Monday, which means it's Macro Monday, and I can't think of a better way to start out your week than being more efficient and effective on your computer. And Leverage Lean is here to help. Let's go to work. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this Macro Monday video. Today is January 27th. It is 4:30 a.m. This is what I do every day before my full-time job. I wake up early, study computer settings, and build macros that allow me to be more efficient and effective on my computer, producing less clicks and more results. But this isn't about me. This is about you. What can I do to help you do the same? Leave some comments below. Okay, getting posted first thing this morning is a new macro, the Excel calendar reminder macros. So this macro comes with multiple videos and multiple actions. So throughout the week, I'll be posting 4 videos on social media. But if you want to see all of those videos and actions today, you can see my YouTube channel or visit my website, leveragelean.com. But essentially what this macro is going to do is it's going to leverage the Outlook calendar so your reminders do much more based on how you're creating these appointments. You can open websites, documents, you can call macros, you can send automated emails. Check them out. Okay, and posted first thing tomorrow morning. Tuesday mornings are my insights, and this insights title is How Do You Eat an Elephant? Hopefully the title is intriguing enough for you to check that out. Okay, and Wednesday. What I do on Wednesdays are my quick win videos, a quick win in 30 seconds or less. So this is how you maximize your windows in a snap. So check that one out. Real quick tip for that one. Okay, and Thursdays I post tutorials. So this tutorial is how do you set up your emails as conversations. So you may be sending a lot of emails back and forth across groups. You want to see all of those responses and all of the emails that you've sent in one collection. And that's what a conversation is, or an email thread. It creates a nice little drop down to clear up your inbox. So check out the steps for that one. And finally, keep in mind, the macros I build are not a limitation of what is possible, but a reflection of what is. So if there's anything you think can be automated to help you be better on your computer, let me know, and I'll see if I can build it for you. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to view this Macro Monday video. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you could do me another big favor, please subscribe to stay updated on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, connect with us on LinkedIn, check us out on Instagram. Stay awesome.